What's good, what's happening, guys? And it's Samo Nao back here again with another video. And in this video I'm actually entering a competition. So I wanted to keep the intro short and sweet on this one, but this is my entry to Dhanisha's 1K subscribers competition. The prompt for this video is Waterfall, so I'll explain my ideas. The video kind of progresses, but congratulations Dhanisha on your reaching the 1K milestone, and I hope all of you guys enjoy this video. So for this idea, working from the word waterfall, I kind of made a connection between a old Chinese mythological story that I really enjoy, which is actually called The Legend of the Koi Fish. So basically it's just about some fish swimming upstream against a current, going up the waterfall, and basically the story is once they reach the top of the waterfall, they transform into, like, you know, these magnificent, beautiful dragons. So the whole kind of meaning and message, I guess, of the story is, you know, to keep persisting, keep trying, never give up, and, you know, if this is what you do, you'll be rewarded. So that's kind of the whole backstory to this piece that I'm creating. And yeah, I just love this story, so I just felt like it was appropriate for, you know, this prompt, waterfall. So let me know what you guys think, and I hope you enjoy the video. you.